Namaste, I am YK Prakash. I am talking about Rasi and Nakshatra based horoscope matching. In the last video, I talked about Dina or Tara Kutami. In this video, I am going to talk about Yoni Kootami. I am going to define what is Yoni Kootami, and then I am going to explain it with two examples. I am also going to tell you if there are any other methods and if there are any exceptions to this Kootami. Among the Ashtakutas, this Yoni Kootami is the fourth one and it has 4 points. We are studying Ashtakutas as Rasi based and Nakshatra based. Among these Nakshatra based, Yoni Kootami is the second one. Earlier we have covered Tara Kootami. As far as the definition of Yoni Kootami is concerned, 27 stars are divided into 14 different animals. It is checked whether the animal represented by the girl and the animal represented by the boy have friendship or enmity among them. This is the basic idea behind the definition. So we have 27 stars, but there are only 14 animals here. So some are divided as male animals, some are divided as female animals among these 27 stars. The girl and boy are checked whether this animal division is gender based, that is whether male or female, and then whether there is friendship or enmity among these animals. Earlier, when we talked about Rasi based Kutas, we discussed about Vasyakutami. There in Vasyakutami, depending on Rasi, people were divided broadly as species like human beings, animals, that is Chatushpada, or Krittika, that means insects, etc. Whereas here the division is based on stars. Now here these animals are domestic or wild animals like elephant, tiger, monkey, cat, rat, etc. So as far as the allotment of points is concerned, I cannot give you here all the animals which are allotted to 27 stars because that is going to be a big table. You can see it on the website. Otherwise, there are few important pairs here which are supposed to have a lot of enmity among them, that is cow, tiger, lion, elephant, etc. Okay, these pairs get 0 points. Okay, also we earlier said these are divided as gender also, that is one nakshatra is called male elephant, another nakshatra is called female elephant. So if the boy is male and if the girl is also male, it is not supposed to be good. They are too aggressive, they may fight with each other, that is the opinion. If the girl is female animal and if the boy also is female animal, it is supposed to be somewhat better. And if the girl happens to be a female animal and if the boy happens to be a male animal, it is supposed to be best combination. So like that these points are allotted. Anyway, basically it is important to know that there should not be bitter enemies like this list given here. So now let us see the examples. In example 1, the girl is Bharani. So she is a male Gajam. Gajam means elephant. Then the boy is Aslesha and he is a male cat. Marjala means cat. So they get 3 points. This is not among bitter enemies, and they get 1 point less. That is, the total points are 4, but they get 1 point less because both are plus. Now let us see the second example. Here the girl is Uttarashadha, that is called Nakulam. Nakulam means mongoose. I think it is called Nevala in Hindi. Okay. And then the boy is Mrugasira, that is Serpent or snake. So this unfortunately is in bitter enemies list. So this pair gets 0 points. So the next question is, are there any other methods or alternate methods? The answer is no, there are no alternate methods. So the next thing we have to see is if there are any exceptions to this rule. That is, in case this Yoni Koota does not exist, do we have any exception rules? There are no exception rules directly given under this Yoni Koota, but indirectly under Grahamitri Koota, it was said that if Grahamitri Koota exists, we don't have to bother about a problem in Yoni Koota also. So indirectly we can say that in case Grahamitri exists, a problem in Yoni Koota can be overlooked. So in this video I try to explain the definition of Yoni Koota. Then if there are any alternate methods, I explained 2 examples. And so next week I'll cover Gana Koota. So please pardon me if there are any mistakes in this presentation. Please remember that your likes and comments will encourage me to keep presenting such videos.